Assalamu alaikum. This is exercise 11b, question number 5. These two lines are parallel because of this arrowhead, and because of this we know angle B and D, they are equal, and angle C and angle E, they are also equal. And the reason is these are parallel lines, and angle C and D, they are corresponding equal angles. Since these two triangles have two equal angles, that means these two triangles are similar. So order of triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, and we can use the property of similarity, and you can write AB over AD, BC over DE, and AC over AE. When two triangles are similar, they have the same ratio. So one by one we will plug all these values, and this will help us to find the unknown in these two triangles. AB is y and AD is y plus 6. Similarly, BC is x, DE is 12, AC is 12, and AE is 12 plus 4, which is 16. Now we can choose first and last ratio, y over y plus 6, which is equal to 12 over 16. We have chosen first and last fractions because all these fractions are equal, and now you can simplify before you can do cross multiplication. In paper 1 you don't have the calculator, so it's always a very good idea first you simplify and then do cross multiplication. So this is 4y, which is equal to 3y plus 18. Now if you subtract 3y from both sides, you will get value of y, which is 18. Now you can use the first and last fraction, or you can use second and third fraction. So it is x over 12, which is equal to 12 over 16. Again you can simplify, or it's your choice, you can do cross multiplication. So I have chosen these two fractions. Now if you further simplify, this is 3 over 4. When you do cross multiplication, this will be okay, so this will be 4x is equal to 3 into 12, which is 36. Now you can divide both sides by 4, and 36 divided by 4 will give you value of x, which is 9. Question number 5b part. Since these two lines are parallel, that means angle A and E, they are equal, they are alternative angles, and similarly again angle D and B, they are also equal, and we have used the same logic. Now since two angles of first triangles are equal to two angles of second triangle, that means these two triangles are similar. First angle is A and E, second angle is B and D. So you have to be very careful whenever you are writing the order of the matrices. So now you have AB over ED, that's equal to BC over DC, and lastly we have AC over EC. Although this is not necessary to write, but it's always a very good idea since we are learning this topic. So if you write all these fractions, it will always help you to do question without any error. So value of AB is 9, ED is y, and value of BC is 6, DC is 5, value of AC is x, and value of CE is 4. Now we can do cross multiplication to find the value of y, and similarly value of x. We can consider first two fractions and similarly last two fractions. This is 9 times 5, which is equal to 6y. You can divide both sides by 6. 9 times 5 is 45. Now if you divide both sides by 6, you can get the value of y, which is 45 over 6. You can use your calculator, and that is 7.5. Similarly, you can do cross multiplication. This is 6 times 4, which is equal to 5x, and 5x is equal to 24, or you can write 6 times 4, 24 over 5. So value of x will be 4.8. This is question number 5, C part. Since these two angles are equal, because that is given in the statement of the question, angle B and E, they are equal. So you can write ABC is equal to angle AED, that is given in the statement. This is angle B and this is angle E, and they have already given in the statement. Second angle is BAC, which is equal to DAE. Since A is common in both triangles, that means that has the same value in both triangles. So now we have proved two angles equal, and this is called double A property, angle property. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle AED, because angle A is equal to angle A, and that is given. Angle B is equal to angle E, that is also given. So these two triangles are similar, and we can use the property of similarity. We can write AB over AE, which is equal to BC we can write AB over AE is equal to BC over ED, which is equal to AE over AD. Now you can put all the values given in triangle ABC and ADE to find the value of X and Y, which are unknown in these two triangles. So AB is 3, AE is 9, which is equal to 4 over X. That is your first fraction. If you do cross multiplication, you will get 3x is equal to 36 over 3, and value of x is 12. In the same way, you can find the value of y. We will again use the property of similarity. When two triangles are similar, they have the same ratio. We are going to use this. Now we have BC over ED, that's equal to AC over AD. If we plug all the values, that will be 4 over ED is X, which is also 12. We just have calculated. So this is 6 over 3 plus Y. AD is 3 plus Y. Again, it's your choice. You can do cross multiplication or you can first simplify. but it's always better if you do simplification before you do cross multiplication. This is 1 over 3, which is equal to 6 over 3 plus y. So 1 multiplied 3 plus y will give you the same, and value of y is 15. Question number 5, D part. These two lines are parallel, BC and EF, so they have two pair of corresponding equal angles. You can write ABC is similar to triangle AEF. You can use the property of similarity. If two triangles are similar, they have the same common ratio. So AB over AE is equal to BC over EF, and that's equal to AC over AF. Now you can put the values. AB is 10 over 10 plus 4 is 14, and BC is not given, so you don't need to write that. AC, these two values are unknown, so AC is 8 over 8 plus x. Again, you can do cross multiplication, or first you can simplify this fraction, and then you can do cross multiplication. So 5 into 8 plus x is equal to 7 into 8. If you open the parenthesis, this will be 40 plus 5x, which is equal to 56. Now you can subtract 40 from both sides, and 5x is equal to 16. Now you can divide 16 by 5, and that is 3.2. That is value of x. Again, CD and FG, they are parallel lines, so we can use these two triangles. Triangle ACD is similar to triangle AFG. And now you can apply the property of similarity. You can write the ratio. And that is AD over AG. You can plug all the values. AC is 8, AF is 8 plus x, CD is y over FG, and FG is y plus 3. Since we have the value of x, so plug that value here in this denominator. That is 8 plus 3.2, which is 11.2, and that's equal to y plus y over y plus 3. Now you can do cross multiplication. That is 8 into y plus 3, which is equal to 11.2y. Open the parenthesis, and this will be 8y plus 24. And if you subtract 8y from both sides, this will be 3.2y. Now you can divide both sides by 3.2. That will give you the value of y. So 24 divided by 3.2 will give you, and that is 7.5. Question number 6, exercise 11b. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Again, we can apply the property of similar. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. There are three similarity properties in this particular triangle. In this particular triangle, we have all three sides of first triangles are given, and similarly all three sides of second triangle are also given. So you will try to apply SSS property. So if you divide 2, that is the first side of first triangle, by 6, that is again the first side of second triangle. So 2 divided by 6 is equal to 5, which is the second side of first triangle, divided by 15, which is the second side of second triangle, which is also equal to 6 divided by 18. This is the third side of first triangle, and 18 is also the third side of second triangle. So once you divide these two, you will get the same ratio. Since these two triangles have the same common ratio, which is 1/3, so these two triangles are similarity, and we have used the property SSS property. This property holds. Now angles are similar, that means angle A is equal to D, B is equal to C, and angle D is equal to B. For second part, we need to find the value of DAB, and we know angle A is equal to D, that means DAB is equal to 110.5 degrees. Question number 7, exercise 11B. First of all, you need to understand U has divided XY in the ratio 2:3. That is given in the statement of the question, and this is a rhombus, that means all sides are equal. This is also given in the statement. So this length is 18, VW is also 18, and they have given the ratio 2:3. So you can write YU over UX, that's equal to 2/3. That is given in the statement. Now we know that the ratio is 2:3, and we also know the value of UX, which is 18. If you put this value, you can find the value of YU. You can do cross multiplication, that is 2/3 multiplied by 18, or you can multiply them together first, or it's your choice. You can also do simplification first. So 18 divided by 3 is 6, times 2 is 12. So YU is 12. That is the value of YU. And now we can find the value of XY. XY is the sum of YU plus UX. So 12 plus 18 is 30. That is the value of XY. And that is the first part of this question. Second part of this question is to find the value of WZ. Let that be X. And now again you can apply the property of similarity. Since these two triangles are similar, we are using the property of similarity. You can put the values of YU, which is 12, we have just calculated. So 12 over XY is 30 degree, 12 over 30, value of X is 30, which is equal to UV, which is 18, over XZ, and XZ is 18 plus T. You can do simplification before you can do cross multiplication. So it will be 2 over 5. Now if you do cross multiplication, that is It is 18 plus t, so it is 2 into 18 plus t is equal to times 5 times 18. This is 36 plus 2t, which is equal to 90. 18 times 5 is 90. If you subtract 36 from 90, you will get 54. That is 54. Okay, now you can divide 54 by 2, and that is 27. Now you also have the value of WZ, which is 27. Value of T is 27. Question number 8. Question number 8. This length is 5 because they have said in the statement of the question that this is a square. That means all 4 lengths are equal. And the second polygon and the second shape is also a square. So this total length is 9. OT is 9. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar since this angle is 90 and T is 90. And these two angles are corresponding, angle O and angle B. And these two triangles have two equal angles. That means these two triangles are similar. And now we can apply the property of similarity. PI over OT is equal to IO over TB, and that's exactly what we need to calculate. And similarly PO over OB. You can put the values. This is 5, PI is 5, OT is 9, this is 4 over BT or TB, whatever you want to write, that doesn't make any difference. This is BT. Now you can do cross multiplication, and that will be 5 into BT is equal to 9 times 4, which is 36. And then you can divide both sides by 5. That will give you value of BT. 36 divided by 5 is 7.2. Or you can use your calculator. 36 divided by 5 is 72. Okay, 7.2. So BT is 7.2, TE is 9, and the total length will be 9 plus 7.2, which is 16.2. You can write it here. BE is 9 plus 7.2, and that is 16.2. So if you look at the triangle, this angle is 90, B is also 90. That is given because of this squares. So first we consider ABD, and we will try to prove that similar to ACB. So if you look at the first triangle, that is ABC, angle B is equal to angle D because both of these angles are 90 degrees. Angle BAD is equal to angle BAC. This is a common angle between these two triangles. Since two angles of first triangle are equal to two angles of second triangle, that means these two triangles are similar, and we can apply property, AA property, holds. So now you can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle since A is equal to A, so we have to write A first, then B is equal to D, since B is equal to D, we have to be very careful whenever we write the order, so it will be, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB because angle A is common in both triangles, and similarly B is equal to D. Both of these angles are 90 degrees. Since they are asking to identify three triangles are similar, so we have to find one more triangle, and that is, since ABC and BDC, C is the common angle between these two triangles, we can also write triangle BDC is also similar triangle because BDC also has two equal angles. Since ABC angle C and BDC angle C, that is common, and D and B, both of these angles are 90 degrees, that means these two triangles are also similar. So now we have identified that these, by applying Pythagoras we can find the value of AB, which is 5, because 3 squared plus 4 square is 25. When you take square root, AB is 5. Now we can compare ABC and BDC. AB over BD and BC over DC, which is also equal to AC over BC. You can plug the values. AB is 5, BD is 4, BC over DC. Both of these are unknown, and AC, if you let DC equal to x, then AC is 3 plus x over BC. If you let BC equal to y, now we can compare the other two triangles. Now we can compare the first and second triangle. If you apply law of similarity, that means they have the same ratio. So AB over AD is equal to BC over DB, that's equal to AC over AB. Again you can plug the values. AB is 5, if you compare these two fractions first, AB is 5, AD is 3, BC is y over 4. Now you can do cross multiplication. This will be 5 times 4 is 20. That is the value of y. Similarly, you can compare these two. If you first put the value of y in the fraction, 5 over 4, which is equal to 3 plus x, instead of writing in fraction form, you can also write 3 plus x divided by y, which is 20 over 3. And I have put this value here. Now you can take its reciprocal. When you convert division into multiplication, you take its reciprocal, and that is 5 over 4, which is equal to 3 plus x multiply 3 over 20. If you do cross multiplication, this is 5 times 20 is 100 divided by 12, which is equal to 3 plus x. Now you can subtract 3 from both sides. 100 over 12, 100 over 12, 100 over 12, 100 over 12 minus 3 is equal to 16 over 3. So value of x is 16 over 3. So value of x is 16 over 3. Question number 10. In this question, we have two pair of parallel lines. That means triangle QSR is similar to triangle QUT. These two angles are equal and they are corresponding equal angles. Similarly, these two angles are also equal. They are also corresponding equal angles. Now you can use the law of similarity. Now we will put the value. Now we will plug the values in this equation. QS is 8 and QU is 8 plus 4, which is 12. SR is unknown. Sorry, I made a mistake. This should be it should be UT. So SR over UT is unknown. You don't need to put anything. It is equal to QR over QT. Let RT is T, or you can let X. So it is 12 over 12 plus X. You can do cross multiplication, or first you can simplify. It's your choice. If you simplify, this will be 2 over 3. Now you will do cross multiplication, and this is 2 into 12 plus X is equal to 3 into 12. Which is 24 plus 2x is equal to 36. Now you can subtract 24 from both sides. And this is the value of x. And this is the value of x. Similarly, we can find value of PR if we compare these two triangles, URS, which is similar to UPQ. Triangle USR is similar to triangle UQP. We will use the law of similarity. US over UQ US over UQ, or you can write 4 over UQ, which is 12. So US is 4, QU is 12. Similarly, SR is unknown and QP is also unknown. You don't need to put that value. But UR is 6 and UP, if you let value of PR, if you let the value of PR Y, so it is 6 plus Y. Again, you can do simplification and then you can do cross multiplication. This is 1 over 3, which is equal to 6 over 6 plus Y. If you do cross multiplication, this is 6 plus Y, which is equal to 18. When you subtract 6 from both sides, you will get the value of y. In question number 11, we have to prove MN is perpendicular to AT. And we can describe this as A and T is a straight line, as A coincides on T, as A coincides with T, when the triangle is folded, so MN is perpendicular to AT. Now we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now we have to show two triangles are similar. Angle T is common in both of these triangles, and angle N is equal to angle R, and both of these angles are 90 degrees. So you can say ART is equal to MNT. Both of these angles are 90 degrees. MTN is equal to ATR, and these two angles are equal because these are common angles in both of these triangles. So these two triangles are similar. So you can write triangle ART is similar to triangle MNT. Now, since these angles are equal, that means these two triangles are similar, and that is AA property, angle property. We can use the property of similarity. For its third part, we can write AR over MN is equal to RT over NT, which is equal to AT over MT. This is third part. Now you can put the values. AR is 6, MN is unknown, RT is 8, NT is 5, AT is 10, and MT is also unknown. If you choose the first two fractions, you can do cross multiplication. This is 6 times 5, which is 30. That's equal to 8 MN. If you divide 30 by 8, that is 3.75. You can use your calculator. 30 divided by 8 is 3.75. Hope you understand this.